Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend tax planning strategy for tax bracket control. When investors earn dividend income, one of the most important goals is to manage taxable income carefully so they do not accidentally move into a higher tax bracket. Tax bracket control simply means understanding how your total income affects the tax rate applied to your dividends, capital gains, and other income sources. The better you control your income level, the easier it becomes to reduce unnecessary tax and keep more of your dividend income. First, investors should know their current tax brackets and income ranges. This means understanding where their salary, business income, dividends, interest, capital gains, rental income, or retirement withdrawals fit within the tax system. Once you know where your income stands, you can estimate how additional dividend income may affect your final tax result. Next, it is important to track total yearly income, not just dividend income alone. Many investors focus only on dividends, but tax brackets are usually affected by total taxable income. So, you should add all income sources together and monitor your projected taxable income before the end of the year. This helps you avoid surprises when tax time arrives. After that, dividend timing can be managed more strategically. In some cases, investors may delay or accelerate dividend realization, investment sales, or withdrawals depending on their expected income for the year. For example, if your income is already close to a higher bracket, you may want to avoid creating extra taxable income unnecessarily. On the other hand, if you are in a lower income year, it may be a better time to receive or realize certain income. Then, tax-advantaged accounts should be used wisely. Dividend-paying investments can sometimes create regular taxable income, so placing them inside retirement accounts or other tax-sheltered accounts may reduce current year tax pressure. The correct account choice depends on your goals, your country's tax rules, and when you plan to use the money. In addition, investors should optimize capital gains and losses together with dividend income. Capital losses may help offset capital gains, and smart investment sales may help control taxable income. Instead of looking at dividends, gains, and losses separately, it is better to review them together so the full tax picture is clear. Moreover, lower income years can create useful planning opportunities. During retirement, career breaks, job changes, business slowdowns, or temporary income reductions, investors may fall into a lower tax bracket. These years can sometimes be used to realize income more efficiently, rebalance investments, or adjust withdrawals in a tax-smart way. Next, investors should review and adjust their strategy every year. Tax laws, income levels, family needs, investment returns, and financial goals can all change over time. A strategy that works this year may not be the best strategy next year. That is why an annual review helps investors stay in control and avoid paying more tax than necessary. At the same time, good record keeping is essential. Investors should keep dividend statements, brokerage reports, tax documents, and investment transaction records organized. They should also watch income before year-end, avoid unexpected bracket jumps, plan retirement withdrawals carefully, and work with a qualified tax professional when needed. Finally, the main goal of tax bracket control is simple. Manage your income, control your bracket, pay less unnecessary tax, and keep more of your dividends. When investors understand how income timing, account placement, capital gains, losses, and yearly reviews work together, dividend tax planning becomes much more effective. This video is for general educational purposes only and should not be considered personal tax, financial, or investment advice. Tax rules vary by country and individual situation, so always consult a qualified tax professional before making any tax or investment decision. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.